to film this face because... No.
I'm Catman.
In today's episode, how are you doing to everyone? Welcome to Stories of My Life. So, it's 9 o'clock and someone is going home today.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
Have you been sleeping well?
Yes.
It's time for Casper to say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Bye. I was this years old when I realised that I've been doing it all wrong. I've been standing on my cross trainer, working out on my cross trainer, watching Magnus on the Go on my iPhone, when I now realised I could have been watching it on my iPad, which would have, bigger screen, easier to see. So, yeah. Okay, it turns out my, I think iPad is too old. It's the second generation, which is, I think it's 10 years old or something, yeah. So it keeps on stalling all the time, so I'm going to go back to this, my trusty phone, and I will sort of just go like that. 30 minutes later, I'm going to drink some water, have a shower, a shave, and then go into Ikea. People, it's time to get going. After the show tonight, we're having a little party, a little celebration. I'm not quite sure why. There is a reason, but no. The dance captain, Emilia, asked about a month ago for a hanging sort of wardrobe thing with shelves that you can have among her clothes because she has so many little things, she said. And I went to Ikea to buy it and they didn't have it, or they were out of it. So now I'm going back there a little bit later because she asked for it again. So, here we go. I bought this. These are really great for having in the fridge. Now they added a new one, which is bigger. So I bought 2 of those. I'm looking for something like this, but half the size, half the width of it. Maybe they'll stop doing them. It's a no-go. They don't have them. The thin ones, and we can't really have the wide one because there's no space. This is a tragedy in a limited way. It's time to go and get the shoes, hopefully. He said he would text me. He has not texted me yet, but I'm hopeful. I have confidence in sunshine. I have confidence in shoes. I have confidence. I can't remember anything of the lyric or even the melody. Complete the following lyrics. All we hear is
Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo, Radio blah blah.
The following lyrics. All we hear
is Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo, Radio Gaga.
Complete the following lyrics. All we hear.
Or all we see.
Let's complete the following lyrics. All we hear
is the sound of your moans.
Complete the following lyrics. All we hear
It's the sound of dead people.
Repeat the following lyrics. All we hear
Is Radio Gaga, Radio Hoo, Radio Baha.
Complete the following lyrics. All we hear
It's Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo, Radio Gaga, yeah.
Following lyrics. All we hear
Is Radio Gaga.
Film this face because... No.
I'm Catman.
Repeat the following lyrics.
Okay.
All we hear
Once again.
All we hear
Is again submarine. Now, all we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Goo Goo, Radio Gaga.
Complete the following lyrics. All we hear
Is
It's Candy Day.
So this is live theatre. Today we had an elevator that wouldn't go up or wouldn't go down, I don't know. So we sort of started a little late. But now it all works. And it makes us all go sort of, yes, 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 we can do this. And I'm waiting for a slow, quick change. Never been out of the show before. We're getting fewer and fewer who done all the shows. I have, David have, Lucas have. That's all the people on stage, on the crew. Then there are some actors still struggling. There are more actors than there are crew members. So we are worse as a group than the actors are. Not naming any names, but it's somebody's birthday. Someone really old. Does this dance with Jonas, but he's out of the show tonight, so she's doing it on her own, doing magnificently, I'd say.
Bravo!
By the way, people, now it's time for spring macka, which is running sandwich on the go. Here, Kiki arrives, ready to get fed. Dressed in black, carrying something white, and tripping, falling. The laundry taken care of, now it's time for the running sandwich. Well, if you translate it directly, it's running sandwich, but it is sort of sandwich on the go, in one of the best rooms in this whole theatre. Look at all this vegan food. These pierogi were fantastic. Absolutely love it. Love it. I love it all.
Det har kommit till min kännedom att vi har ett födelsedagsbarn här. Barn kan man kanske inte säga. Hur mycket fyller du?
Jag?
Ja.
Dubbelt så mycket som du har. 64.
64? Det är ju en väldigt respektabel ålder. Så du tycker vi sjunger för...
Ja!
Jag må leva, jag må leva, jag må leva ut i 100 år. Ja, visst ska han leva, ja, visst ska han leva.
Ett fyrfaldigt lever för David, han lever! Hipp hipp!
Hurra, 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 hurra!
Du trodde du skulle komma undan.
Ja, jag hoppades så.
Så lång näsa.
And Kiki's going to Florida. Damn it. Say it again. You never felt...
Jag känner mig len.
You just said you never felt anyone's skin that's so soft as...
PM. Ena dagen är kaos, nästa dag så smälter snön när man tror våren och där. Och sen kom tredje dagen kommer.
We just had this on her head and she has not been drinking anything.
No,
You just look drunk.
Yeah,
You have that air.
I know. It's It's Tuesday. No, it's not. You see, I'm drunk.
This is where when we arrived, we sort of put our name there. But this is so funny. This is Petter. I bet this is Petter who done. Because the reason we were late today to start the show was because this thing, a certain part of the set, didn't work. This is Buurspråk. Buurspråk is this part, I don't know the English word, in need of a refurbishment. So I think it's Petter who put this up here because it's so edgy and fun. This is Kiki and her little car. Head up! Bye-bye! See ya! Thank you for watching and for liking, commenting, subscribing and following. It really helps, and something to do with the internet and the algorithm, I think. So thank you so much.